If you know mindfulness is good for your body and brain, but you never really feel like you have the chance to sit down and practice, this video is for you. When I am busy or running behind on my day, sometimes sitting for meditation just isn't going to work for my monkey brain. But mindfulness isn't just about emptying your mind, it's about being in the present. So by combining the principles of mindfulness with a gentle yoga practice for just 5 minutes, I'm able to short circuit the doom loop of feeling stressed out, busy, and out of control. So this is what works for me. Let me know down in the comments how it worked for you today.
Begin in a comfortable seated position. You might try the hero pose, where the legs make an M shape to release tension in the groin and stretch the quads. Take a deep breath in through the